Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are diving into the key principles of business continuity management, specifically focusing on ISO 22301. Business continuity management (BCM) is crucial for organizations to ensure they can continue operating during and after disruptions. ISO 22301 provides a framework for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and continually improving a robust BCM system. Let's explore the key principles that underpin this standard. Leadership. Leadership is paramount in driving BCM. Top management must demonstrate commitment by establishing policies, objectives, and providing necessary resources. They need to ensure BCM aligns with the organization's strategic direction. Context of the organization. Understanding the organization's context is vital. This involves identifying internal and external factors that can impact BCM, such as legal requirements, stakeholder expectations, and the business environment. Planning. Effective planning is the cornerstone of BCM. Organizations must develop strategies to prevent, mitigate, respond to, and recover from disruptions. This includes risk assessment, business impact analysis, and developing business continuity plans. Support. Supporting BCM requires adequate resources, competencies, and communication mechanisms. Employees need to be trained, roles and responsibilities defined, and awareness raised throughout the organization. Operation. During disruptions, organizations must effectively implement their business continuity plans. This involves activating response and recovery procedures, maintaining essential functions, and managing resources to minimize the impact. Performance evaluation. Continuous evaluation is necessary to ensure BCM remains effective. Organizations must monitor, measure, analyze, and evaluate their BCM performance, conducting regular exercises, tests, and audits to identify areas for improvement. Finally, organizations must continually improve their BCM system. This involves taking corrective actions, updating plans based on lessons learned, and adapting to changes in the business environment to enhance resilience. In conclusion, understanding and implementing the key principles of business continuity management as outlined in ISO 22301 is essential for organizations to enhance their resilience and ensure continuity of operations during disruptions. By prioritizing leadership commitment, planning, support, and continuous improvement, organizations can mitigate risks and thrive in the face of adversity. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the fundamental principles of business continuity management. Remember, resilience is not just about surviving disruptions, but thriving in the face of adversity. Until next time, stay resilient. Thank you.